Hi, welcome to this edition of Stocks with Emmanuel. In commemoration of International Women's Day, I wanted to suggest to you three stocks that are very relevant um, as it concerns women, but not just women, but perhaps everyone that loves beauty and beauty products. So, I have three stocks that are important when it comes to beauty, especially for them that really love to look beautiful. And I like beautiful ladies. These stocks might be interesting for them. Which one are we talking about? Let's start with the first one called ELF Beauty with ticker symbol ELF. It's right here on my screen. As you can see, I am on the weekly chart. So what can we see here? First, this stock is really on a big uptrend, but it's very interesting to see. I mean, no surprise that beauty products, in this case, Elf Beauty Incorporated, is doing quite well. I'm sure you know about Elf brand of cosmetics. Let's take a look at the lower time frame and see how it looks for now. I always like to take a look at the performance, quarterly performance. You look at the last quarterly performance released Tuesday, the 6th of February. It was a blast of a performance, really good performance, above analyst expectations, both on earnings and revenue. Very good. The one before that one was also very good. Top and bottom performance, very good. As you can see, 56% above target, 9% above target, respectively. Again, going back 5 quarters, this company has been delivering solid performance. No wonder the stock price is on the upswing. So, this is a very good one. However, for me, perhaps the uptrend has gone on for quite a long time. I will rather wait for it to retrace a bit before I jump on this stock. Okay, which other stock is interesting when it comes to beauty segment? Another one is Lauder. Estee Lauder, as it's a very popular makers of beauty products. Let's first go to the weekly chart. This one is not doing as well as Elf Beauty products. It's just beginning to climb on a weekly time scale. Very interesting. Let's go back to the daily time scale, and you can see that it's nearly flat. But let's also check their financial performance. Last time they released the quarterly report, February 5, they did well. They have fairly solid results, but perhaps, as you can see, the previous one was not so good in terms of revenue, and then the other one, as you can see on my screen, was good. Just looking at this, you can see that Estee Lauder, a very popular brand, is not doing as well in terms of financial performance compared to Elf Beauty, and this explains why Elf is powering higher and higher, while this is yet to make the move. The last one that I have for you is Ulta Beauty. Let's look at the weekly chart as we always do. To start with the weekly chart, you can see that this is on very steep trend so far and it's doing really well, reaching an important point, what I call previous high, and then it was rejected a bit and it's trying to test that previous high again. This is very interesting. Let's go to the daily chart to see what we can pick out here. Financial performance first, the last one was good, and then the other ones, the last four performance has been very good across, really powerful, and again that explains why this is trending really up. For me, technically looking at this chart, I would consider an entry if you were to go past the previous resistance area around 562.75. So those are the three stocks in the beauty segment, and I thought I would do this to celebrate International Women's Day with you. I do hope you can learn a few things based on these three stocks that we reviewed. The key learning, guys, is that a company with strong financial performance tend to do well. As we say, the price of a stock eventually reflects the value of the stocks. So take that into consideration when reviewing your stock, be it beauty companies or those in other segments. And once again, I'd like to wish women a very happy International Women's Day. Have a nice week ahead.